This is my entry for the Rust Bucket Group Build 2026, hosted by me. And as you can see, it's a 49 Merc. I purchased this model at a show a couple of weeks back, and if you guys haven't seen that video, you guys can go and see it. It's the one where I took my son for the first time to a model show, and he really enjoyed it and he liked it. And I have other Mercs, but I didn't know. I was collecting them just because I like how they look, but I never really built one. So as I took them out, because it's, as you can see, it's missing the grill and, you know, the headlight, another headlight bucket, so it only has one. So I might just be I might find another one, or just kind of make one out of the spare box. I don't know, I gotta find something that fits in there so that I can use it, or just leave it without it. It'll be a project card. Take the Rust Bucket name to its true potential, so this will be something that someone found that, you know, somebody's backyard, and you know, it's been sitting there for a while. And I actually like the way it looks. It looks kind of dirty, and it's got the normal patina, I guess, but we're gonna wash it, we're gonna clean it up and see what we can do from there. There's no tail light, so that will be something that we have to look for in the spare pile. And this is the raw plastic, I believe. So we're just, you know, gonna put it in the freezer, kind of break some of this off. I'm not going to paint this or repaint it. I really like how this looks. We're just gonna clean it up, and if we add some rust spots, then we'll probably do that, but it's gonna be just the way this is. But one thing for sure, I am going to see how low I can lower this. So we're just gonna lower it down to the ground. I've been looking online for some patina Mercs, and I have seen quite a bit, so I really like what I'm seeing on the internet. So as far as the engine goes, I think it's pretty much everything is there. So if I'm able to pop this engine out of the frame, then, or the chassis I should say, might be able to just detail it, do a couple of details here and there. If not, I don't know, we'll wait and see what we can do. But this, I don't know, I might just use my rust technique and then rust the whole entire thing, just to blend it in that it's been rusted, and add some rust spots. I don't know, we'll see what we can do with this. But this is my entry. I'm excited. I can't wait to start taking this apart and put it together, and then show you guys that, you know, you could do something pretty cool out of a bag kit, or not a bag kit, but a bag find, I guess. So all right, well, we'll see what we can come up with. So this is, oh, as far as the wheels, I don't know. I might just look on my stash and look and see maybe some steelies or some moon wheels. I'd like the stock wheels, but I only have two, so I don't know. And then I was also thinking these right here, it kind of looks really good, the red with the blue. But if you noticed, the tire height, it's a really low profile, so definitely need to go and see how low I can put this thing. But even if you just mock it up like this, it will give it a nice lower stance. So I'm kind of digging these wheels, and definitely will be a lower stance. But as soon as I put these wheels on, it's just been that thing where I'm like, man, I don't know. So we'll see. If not, I'll just come up with some look for some steel wheels. All right, so here we go. We're just gonna go ahead and put this in the freezer, start washing this thing off, go from there, and let's have fun. All right, see you guys in the next one. Happy modeling.